Families will get a brief break from the trial as they remember their loved ones. On Wednesday, court resumes with the penalty phase of the trial. 7 News reporter Marshall Zelinger is live. And Marshall, this next phase of the trial will be the most difficult for the prosecution.
At least 2 and 3. Step 1 should be fairly easy. Aggravating factors. That essentially means, was someone younger than 12 killed? Were multiple people killed? We'll likely move quickly to phase 2, the mitigating factors phase. This is where the defense gets to put up on the stand family, friends, doctors, people from the defendant's past. Now, at this point, the jury could stop after that section and say life in prison. But if they continue, there'll be step 3. That's when the DA gets to put up family of the victims. And at that point, it will ultimately be life or death.
The mental health question in a death penalty phase of a trial is completely unprecedented in Colorado.
What's about to take place in this courtroom starting next week will be something a jury in Colorado has never really experienced, considering the death penalty for someone both sides agree is mentally ill.
So we're going to learn a lot more about the history of his mental illness in a lot more detail.
You cannot start forming opinions about that, and you cannot start deliberating about that or thinking about that, even internally, privately in your own mind.
All jurors are on break until Wednesday. When they get back, they'll be reminded that the doctors who testified all agreed that without the defendant's mental illness, this crime never would have happened.
That's something now that the jury can consider in determining whether he should serve life in prison or receive the death penalty.
The issue of mentally ill defendants on death row in other states is already getting the attention of the U.S. Supreme Court.
Less than half of the Supreme Court specifically said that it's something that needs to be revisited again because perhaps its days are numbered.
One other side note on the sentencing phase, I found out that whoever takes the stand is limited in what they can say. For instance, the defendant's mom can't say anything like, "Do not kill my son." At the same time, a family member of a victim can't say, "Kill him for killing my daughter." Eric?